Before buying a car battery charger, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers often complain about compatibility issues and performance inconsistencies. But today, I'm breaking down the top 5 chargers that actually deliver on their promises.
Product number 1, NOCO Genius 10. Let's kick things off with the NOCO Genius 10, which caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive versatility. Priced around $100, this charger is designed to be an all-in-one solution for both lead-acid and lithium batteries. If you want reliable performance and battery maintenance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the Genius 10 stands out. It can charge batteries as low as 1 volt and has a precision thermal sensor that adjusts the charge based on temperature. This means you won't have to worry about overcharging in summer or undercharging in winter. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's a favorite for a reason. It also features a pulse charging mode that can restore battery health, which is a lifesaver for neglected batteries. Now, some people complained about its size, finding it a bit bulkier than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for power and performance, this isn't a deal breaker. It's built to handle a wide range of battery types, which totally makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, reliable charger that can handle everything from cars to RVs. Skip this one if you need something ultra compact for tight spaces. Overall, it offers great value for its price. Now, if the Genius 10's size concerns you, the next charger takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Towertop 210 25 amp. The Towertop 210 25 amp Smart Car Battery Charger. At $89.99, it's engineered for both efficiency and speed. What really grabbed my attention was its ability to charge a 100 AH battery in under 3.5 hours. If you're tired of waiting around for your battery to charge, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Towertop features 4 adjustable current settings, so you can customize your charge depending on your needs. Plus, it automatically detects the battery status and kicks in without you having to press a button. This means a hassle-free experience. The HD LCD screen displays the charging status in real time, which is super handy. With 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that buyers appreciate its smart features. However, a few users noted that the manual could have been clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the functionality is straightforward. If you're someone who enjoys a bit of tech but can handle a learning curve, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want quick charging and smart features in one device. Skip this one if you prefer simpler, no-frills options. For its performance, it definitely offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need heavy-duty support.
Product number 3, Schumacher Electric 50A. Let's talk about the Schumacher Electric 50A car battery charger, which is priced at about $80.48. What drew me in was its powerful 50A engine start feature, making it an excellent choice for larger vehicles like trucks and RVs. If you're looking for a charger that packs a punch, this one is worth a serious look. This charger uses microprocessor technology to automatically adjust its charging based on the battery's needs. It also comes with a reverse hookup protection feature, so you won't have to worry about damaging your battery if you accidentally connect it incorrectly. With thousands already sold, it clearly meets a demand for performance and safety. However, some users have reported it can be a bit noisy while charging, but honestly, if you're in a garage or using it outdoors, that's hardly a deal breaker. It's all about getting the job done quickly and efficiently. This is perfect for you if you frequently work with larger vehicles and need dependable power. Skip this one if you're just looking for something for smaller cars. For its features and reliability, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want something a bit more portable, the next charger offers a different approach.
Product number 4, Schumacher Electric Wheeled Charger. The Schumacher Electric Wheeled Manual 10A Charger, retailing for about $189.99. This baby delivers a whopping 250 amp engine start, which is seriously impressive. If you need a charger for heavy-duty use, this one's worth considering. This wheeled charger is perfect for those who need to move it around the garage. Its steel case and solid wheels mean it's built to last. Plus, the 50 amp boost can quickly revive even the most stubborn batteries. With 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that it meets the demands of both professionals and DIYers. Now, some people found the price a bit steep, but here's the thing. If you work with various vehicles often, the investment pays off quickly and saves time and frustration. This is perfect for you if you're a mechanic or simply someone who owns multiple vehicles. Skip this if you need a lightweight option for occasional use. Given its capabilities, it's definitely worth the price. Finally, if you need something more compact and budget-friendly, stick around for the last option.
Product number 5, YDBAO 10A battery charger. We have the YDBAO 10A battery charger, which is incredibly budget-friendly at $25.37. Its compact size and fully automatic features are super appealing, especially if you're looking for something simple yet effective. If you want an easy solution to battery maintenance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The YDBAO charger works with all 12-volt lead-acid batteries, and it even has a pulse repair function to help revive older batteries. It automatically detects what it needs to charge, which is ideal for those who don't want to fuss with settings. With over 900 units sold recently, it's a favorite among budget-conscious consumers. However, some users mentioned it can be a bit underpowered for larger batteries, but honestly, for everyday cars and motorcycles, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free, affordable charging solution. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty vehicles. For its price, you really can't go wrong with this one.
So there you have it. We covered the NOCO Genius 10 for all-in-one versatility, the Towertop for fast charging, the Schumacher 50A for heavy-duty needs, the Schumacher wheeled charger for portability, and the YDBAO for budget-friendly simplicity. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs the best.